guys, Amanda Wright here at my newest listing in Broadbrook. 36 Omelia features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an awesome outdoor space. Let's go take a look at this beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed your tour of 36 Omelia in Broadbrook. At Rovi Homes, we believe that who you work with matters, and I want to work with you. If you have questions about this property or any others, feel free to contact me at the number below. Bye guys, have a great day.